Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10 and 11. So we are going to fix missing Wi-Fi icon. So there are several solutions and this works for Windows 10 and 11. The first solution, and it does actually works for me. Now to do this, just press Windows plus R keys to open up Run and then type in services.msc. Then hit OK to open up a new window. So in here, just scroll down until you see something like WLAN or WLAN and make sure it is running. So as you can see here, mine is running already. So in case yours is not, I'm going to show you how to do it. Just right click and open up your properties, and then you will see here the start button right over here. And as you can see here, mine is already running. And then what you need to do next is to change the manual to automatic on the left side, and just change it to automatic and then click OK to save the changes you've made. And then we will repeat the process again. Just press Windows plus R keys to open up Run, but this time we're gonna type in dev mgmt.msc. I'm gonna type it in here so that you can see, and press OK to open up a new window. So in here, find the network adapters and then right click on your wireless adapter that you have, and then make sure that this one is enabled. So after making sure it is enabled, just go to your properties and then tap the power management tab at the top. So in here, turn off, allow this computer to turn off this device to save power, and then press OK to save the changes you've made. In addition to that, right click the network adapters and then click update driver. And for now, let's browse my computer for driver software and then click let me pick up from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then in here, just choose between the two, so whatever you like, just go on and click that one and then click the next button after choosing. So now it has successfully updated your drivers, so just click the close button and then that's it. Okay, and moving on to the last steps, you can right click on the start button and then type in control panel, and then in here make sure that your icons are on large icons so that you can see a lot of more options. And then in here select internet options and a new window will open up. So in here just go to advanced tab, and then right below here you will see the click reset, and as you can see here, I don't have that. I don't know why, but you can see it on other computers. And once you're done resetting, you can now start your PC. But I assure you guys, the first step is really good to fix the issue. You don't have to follow all the remaining steps, but it's up to you guys. So it's up to you guys. If the first and the second and the third doesn't work, just try the last options that you can try. So first you have to go to your start menu again and then go to your settings, and in your settings you will see the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. So there you have to choose network internet and then go to Ethernet. and then click on edit and then disable and then enable it. And once you've done with that process, just restart your PC and see if it works. And as you can see here, my Wi-Fi icon is now visible, so it's not hiding anymore. And that is how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10 or 11. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And feel free to comment here on the section below for any inquiries, and see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.